is that, Kaya? That's a Christmas tree for Kaya. You like it? Do you like the tree? Be gentle. Oh, that's right. I plugged it. Pretty? Leave that on there. Is that Kaya's tree? Is that your Christmas tree? No, come on out of there. Okay. They were in the other room, remember? It's not working? It's broke. I gotta fix it. I'm gonna have to fix it. Hi, Kaya. How are you, Kaya? I'm coming. Where are you going? Where are you taking Mickey? Those are grapes. Grapes. Can you carry all that? Bless you. Bless you. Where are you going with him? Where are you going? You done? Grandmommy has to fix that. I have to fix it, baby. I gotta fix it for you. Okay? Uh-oh. Hi, Minnie. She missed Kaya. She loves Kaya. Minnie said, I love you, Kaya. You love Minnie? Giving Minnie a drink. You just realized she was there? Where are you taking Minnie? You putting her with Mickey? Hi, You're silly. Kaya, what are you doing? What are you doing? Right. No, you're right. No, 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 no. Kaya, no. Okay, you can have Elmo. You can have. Ooh! Oops! You okay? We need to put your grippy socks on. Want to put your grippy socks on? Huh? Thank you. Hi, Elmo. He said, hi, Kaya. Let's go change your socks, Kaya. Let's go change your socks. Come on. Let's put the grippy socks on. Be careful. Watch where you're going. Sit down so we can put some more socks on you. Hey.